Tanglin Mall is well known for the yearly artificial snowfall event since 1996. There is no need for winter wear to enjoy winter while in Singapore when you are in Tanglin Mall. From 16 November to 31st December 2023, the all-time favorite show has made its way back to Tanglin Mall this year again. There are two separate shows going on for a night. There is Avalanche and there is Snow. This is what goes on in the Avalanche.